Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back if you're new here. So today I'll be unboxing, well I unboxed it already. I'll be showing you guys my 18-inch wig that I purchased on AliExpress. I'll put everything and the link down below in the description box, so you better check that out. So okay, let me just go ahead and it just came all like this, like zero. Zero. Okay, it's just a wig. They just sent me a wig with no extras. Like, come on, you could do better. But anyway, so yeah, this is how it's looking like. I'm sorry, I don't want to drop it. So yeah, and so the wig is actually pre-plucked, so there's not much to do, but then I'll take you on this process to show you how I get this wig to fit my face and yeah, make it look good and stuff like that. So this is how it's looking like from, yeah, this is how it's looking like. Okay, looks good though, can't complain. Okay, I haven't washed it, so it's not breaking. Okay, good sign. So let me go ahead and wash it. So I went on to buy a new mannequin head for my wig, but a mini stand so that I can put this inside for my wig. And yeah, so I went on and washed the hair. It's still wet, so I'm going to blow dry it here real quick. So if you want the links to the things that I bought, they're from Amazon, of course. I'll put the links in the description below, so make sure you better check that out. And yeah, so let me get the hair. It's still wet. I want to blow dry it here on camera, and yeah, then we get started. Still wet, guys. I haven't even brushed it or anything. This is how it's looking like. And I also went ahead and got these pins. They're from Amazon as well, and I'm going to put the link below there for the cap. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin. Okay, you don't want to pin straight next to the hairline, you just want to leave a bit of some space so that you don't damage the hair. So now that my hair is dry, I'll be ready to pluck. So I went on to buy this tweezers. You have to make sure that your tweezers pick the hair. So okay, rectal comb, tweezer, spray bottle. You don't necessarily have to buy this. I actually had to like use an empty bottle which had my heat protector, and I just refilled it with water. So yeah, and that's all you need for this process. So first of all, you need to like section the hair. I have these clips, and I don't know what these ones are called, so I have like 4 clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and just comb the hair to the back and then clip it. Oops. So that it doesn't distract me. just a bit of some little baby hairs. This is going to mimic your hairline, so this is important. This hair is so slippery, like I'm just a beginner. Like, can you just relax? Can you just give me time? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hairline just a little bit, and then I'll comb it just so I can see my way down. Okay, so this is a bit difficult because this hair is so heavy for the stand, so I'm supposed to do the hair and hold the hair at the same time so that it doesn't fall. All for you guys, okay? So I finished plucking to my desire. What I'm gonna do now is to spray a bit of some heat protector. So I'm just going to comb that through and spread it everywhere. Now it's time for the mousse. I'm using the Contour Wave Whip. I'm going to go ahead with my hot comb. So now that I have combed my baby girl, I'm going ahead now to straighten. I'm going to straighten. I'm using this Remington straightener. So I'm going to be straightening the hair in sections. Like, I'm just trimming. So guys, look at that perfection. If you enjoyed watching this video and you'd like to see how I'm going to rock this little baby girl, then I suggest that you watch my next video where I'm going to install this perfect lace. Just look at her. Oh my god, I could just so I'm loving it. I did my best. So how she's looking like. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, because since I just did this week, I just feel like I want to keep on doing more and more. Yeah, I could do this over and over again. So if you enjoy such videos from me like these ones, make sure you show me by clicking the like button and commenting down below if you'd like to see more of the wig videos and more of the installation when I will install this week. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.